Hi, this is Noah from screenprintexchange.com, a place to sell your screen printing equipment, inkjet printing, and discuss your problems with your presses. So we have a typical M&R Gauntlet, Sportsman, Challenger print head. So typically this is the flip part. It's like cast, super heavy duty. Things that tend to break is this. There's a knob supposed to be right here, so that locks it in when it's in the up or down position, and this locks it in when it's in the down position. So you have your micro registration, and so if these are not turning well and they're bindings because they're either dirty, they need to be cleaned, the threads are getting old, or they're bent. And these typically bend in installation or taken apart or in shipping, and you will have to replace them. You won't be able to straighten them out, and it will cause a lot of problems. This one's moving freely. This is the left to right and right to left. They have springs, so there you go on these. They don't want it to when you release the lockdown, which is right here. I don't have the full component. They don't want it to move, like snap. And a lot of people move these and not loosen these. And so when they loosen it, if they loosen this again, it will slide too far forward because it's you're doing it wrong. So right here is a guide for micro registration. You must always, before you even start printing, zero those out. Before you even register your next screen, zero them out, because you don't want it all the way forward and then you can't go further forward. So that's a big mistake. So anyhow, so another thing is there is usually lithium grease between this black casting. Is that casting? No, this black part and here, so it can slide back and forth easily. You can kind of see it. I don't really see too much in there, but there should be some in there. So this is a typical, these are typical problems you'll have, and it's frustrating when you cannot move your registration because someone bent the knobs or they wear out. So it's pretty self-explanatory. Please like my videos and let's go. Keep on posting. I appreciate your support, and I'll do more videos like this. Thank you. Bye.